Discovery ko kay Marco, kaya niyang kainin. Discovery, di ba? Hindi. Kasi same, you always have the same meal every day for the whole year.
Sabi ko talaga mas dito. Disclaimer lang po, Vivo 1 po to.
It was always eggs, broccoli, and protein shake and rice every day for the whole ass year. So, hindi ko alam kung anong meron kay Marco, pero yun yung laki.
I can have the same meal every day for the rest of my life.
But anyways, yun po yung discovery ko kay Marco. You know? Hindi siya mabilis magsawa, yun pala.
Heaven, nililinaw niya kasi nagtawanan sila nung sinabi niya.
Oh, pagkain ha!
Oo. Na-shock kami lahat eh.
So sorry. Pagkain. Ayoko na.
So kaya mong kumain, Marco. Yung mga eggs, broccoli,
Every day.
every day.
Every day.
Kaya mong kumain every day.
3 times a day.
3 times a day.
Oh my God. Hinang-hina ako noon. Hindi, joke. Dito natin malalaman yung innocence ni Heaven. Hindi pa rin niya alam kung bakit.